Well, we need to go ashore and see where the tunnel is. Wow, looks like some interesting things there.
The pipe is completely walled up with bricks. This is to prevent talkers from coming out of the air.
I want to go out and see what's there.
I also want to go out and walk around. Now Dima will show how to get out of the boat. So what's interesting here? Here is a huge wall of the reactor. Is there anything interesting here, sis? Why are they cut out?
Трубы просто жесть. В ней доски внутри.
Look at the pipes, there are some boards in it. By the way, you can go through the pipe to this building. There are a lot of different pipes here, there are some kind of valve.
Friends, despite the fact that we didn't get into the fourth power unit, our walk continues. We have been here for 12 hours and having a great time. This is a very unique place. Alex, what are these sounds?
This is from the boat, air is coming out.
Well, this comrade is driving me crazy.
Now I'll discipline him.
We'll arrange a disciplinary battalion for him now. By the way, can he swim? We drank radioactive water.
What is he doing? Comrade, are you asking for trouble?
You'll be in trouble now.
Why are you throwing stones? What kind of jokes are these?
I came with a guitar. I'm an art lover. What are you talking about? Are you crazy? Nobody's watching us here. You can do a sin, as they say. Come on!
What are you doing? Why did you cut the boat? Damn, what's wrong with you guys?
Now keep swimming there. Where's my ukulele?
It's over there on the boat.
Dima, hold the boat. I'll take my guitar. Please hold it. I'll give you $50 for this. What are you doing? Give it back, please. I'll forgive you for everything.
What are you doing, sus?
You're a moron. That's it, now I'll go home on foot.
Have you guys lost it? Damn, sus is swimming in the radiation water. How do you like the radioactive water? Is it cold?
Холодная?
Guys, don't be offended. We are in a positive mood. We are friends, so everything is fine.
I just don't understand what happened all of a sudden.
Ты куда, в трубу? Ты куда?
Damn, he's swimming near a nuclear reactor.
There are 200 microengens in water, Zeus. Let me lie on my back in the water.
Zeus, get out of the water quickly. There is a high radiation.
No.
Zeus, where are you going? What are you doing? Dima, what is he doing?
Everything's fine. He's just trying to calm down.
They're crazy. They just went crazy with the radiation. It's okay for you to swim in radioactive water. Damn, you're bathing in a suit.
Measure the radiation on his feet.
Let me check it. 260, 210, this is the dirtiest place. Look, turn your back. Whoa, here it shows 300. Now the jacket needs to be burned.
I'll just throw it out.
We need to go to the reactor as soon as possible before no one comes because of our noise. You fell into the water too?